Happy New Year, everyone. It is Tuesday, January 4th. I know that we don't start back to school till tomorrow, but I just wanted to make sure you guys were aware of a few things. First off, before I do, hope you had an awesome Christmas. I know I did. I hope you had an amazing New Year's Eve. I know I did. And oh my gosh, that snow yesterday was emoji lit. It was amazing. It was refreshing, and I loved it. And I'm gonna be selfish and say, man, I want some more snow before it starts to heat up a little bit. Just because I'm selfish and self-centered like that, I want more snow, and you guys probably do too. So that'd be awesome. Just give me like one good snow day, and I'll be happy. So heading into New Year, guys. Parents, this is more for you, not so much for the kids, but parents, hear me out, parents. Grab that book bag, empty it onto the kitchen table or the floor, wherever. Get rid of all the crap out of the book bag. Kids, y'all need to sit with your parents. If it's junk, get it out of your book bag. If it's a busted pen, get it out of your book bag. If it's I know in our class we cleaned out our notebooks before Christmas break, but if you got junk in there, get rid of it. If you have a grade assignment from August, you probably don't need it anymore. Get rid of it. Unless it's vocabulary words or notes, get rid of it. Okay? Now, that being said, everyone has had the equal opportunity to use my hole puncher. Everything should be hole punched. They should be in your notebook. There's no excuse not to have that junk. I'm going to start doing notebook checks this 9 weeks. So please, for the love of all things beautiful, get rid of all the junk and keep yourself straight this 9 weeks, because it should be, knock on something hollow. That was my head. It should be an easy 100. So that's thing number one. Make sure you clean out your notebooks. Parents, for the love of all things beautiful, you need to be on Power School so you can check your kids' grades. I assume because it's 2022 that everyone is on Power School at this point. But you know what happens when you assume about something. But if you look right here, I think my thing just disappeared. Yep, there it goes. Right there on the Advanced Charter website, you'll see right there it says Power School Parent Login. If you don't have your registration stuff, you need to call the front office. You need to email the front office, or you can just come up to Advanced Charter School and talk to the ladies at the front office and say, hey, I need my login stuff so I can check my baby's grades. I assume that you're doing that already because it's 2022. We've had this technology for, I think, 8-9 years now. So I assume you know how to do that. But if I'm wrong, you can email Rebecca Matthews. You can call Rebecca Matthews. You can come up to school and talk to Rebecca Matthews. If that terrifies you, send me an email. I'll hook you up with the information, okay? So, please make sure you're checking Power School, because I assume you're checking Power School. So if your kid doesn't do their homework and I put a 0 in, I assume that you see it. And you're like, oh dear, Billy didn't do his homework. Let me follow up on that. So number one, clean out your notebook. Number two, make sure you have access to Power School. Kids, make sure you have access to Power School too, because information is power right there. You want to know what your grades look like at all times, okay? Last but not least, because I know last thing you want to hear is my voice. I know right before we got out from Christmas break, our board of directors met and they decided that masks would be optional coming into January. Things have changed. And you should have got an email that looks just like this. There it is right there in all of its glory. And they sent another one earlier today at 12:40 p.m. And I'll read it to you just in case for some reason you want me to read it out loud. It says, good evening, Advanced Charter families. During a call board of directors meeting to discuss school operations on December 29, 2021, a legislative action, the board voted to reimpose the indoor mask requirement effective immediately for all students, staff, and visitors while indoors at Advanced Charter School. As required by state law, this requirement will be reconsidered each month. Thank you, and have a wonderful evening. What that means, we got to keep the masks on. They did this based on the numbers of COVID going around with this Omicron virus. Hopefully, knocking on something hollow again. That's my head. Hopefully this stuff will go away soon. The only way we can ensure that we stay in school, though, is masks. I know they're annoying. I know they're worrisome. I don't like them either, but it keeps us in school, which means we're not at home trying to do at-home learning. We're in school, so parents, y'all can go to work. So please keep that in mind. We're not out to get anyone. We're just trying to keep everyone safe. I really want to see everyone here every single day because I enjoy my job and I enjoy the kids, and I want to see your smiling faces every single day. So when we come back, we got to wear masks. And from what I understand by what this email says, is that this requirement will be reconsidered each month. So at the next board meeting, whenever it may be, I don't know when the board meetings are, they'll talk about it again. And then in February, they'll probably talk about it again. In March, they'll talk about it again. So if you're fed up with the mask, take a deep breath, because we've been going almost 2 years now on masks. We can go a little bit longer. If you like the mask, take a deep breath, because you can continue to wear your mask. It's, it is what it is. And like I said, I'm not going to go into this debate with anyone. Just make sure you have a mask, okay? Parents, please send your kids an extra mask, because what's going on is Billy McBob is on purpose ripping his mask so he can go to the office and go, my mask ripped, I need to go to the office, okay? So I've got a few extra in my classroom, but there's always that one kid that's like constantly tearing their mask or losing their mask just to get out of class. So please, for the love of all the garlic bread, make sure you send them with an extra mask every single day, just in case, okay? If you got any questions, send me an email to sum everything up. My conclusion statement, guys, clean your book bag out. Make sure you're signed up for Power School. And please make sure you bring a mask and bring an extra mask just in case. I think that's it. I will see you all in the morning. Love you. Peace out and have a good day. This video is 7 minutes now, and that's 7 minutes too much. Bye-bye.